What's good? It's your girl A.Spen and I'm back here for my second unboxing. What I want to do is show y'all what I got. So, hey, without further ado, let's get into it. Oh, and it also came with a free 32GB micro SD card. So, that's pretty cool. Let's go. What I have here is the DJI Spark. So, I got a drone, y'all. It's finna get lit. I got the Spark Fly More combo. So I was like, if I'm gonna get a drone, I might as well get everything, you know. I might as well get the whole package. So I got the combo. What is a meal without fries and a drink? Had to get the combo. So right here, I'm assuming it's the drone. This is a nice case, okay. Little carrying bag with the shoulder strap. You know what I mean? I can see this on my arm now. So, this is a nice bag. It seems like a good quality. I like that it has pockets and stuff in the pockets. Oh, I guess maybe this is my
accessories.
What we have here is, what is this? USB, maybe the charging cable. Gotta look in the pockets. The pockets always had the good stuff. What else? So this is my battery charging hub. So it'll charge 3 batteries at a time. That's all that was in the front pocket. Now let's open her up. This is my controller. We'll get into that in a second, but that's nice. It's not too heavy. So yeah, this is my controller. This is how I fly it. So this is my power adapter for my charger. So we'll plug that into there, like so. Plug this into the wall, and it even has USB charging on it, which is interesting. And then we got 2 more of those. So yeah, I think these might be the guards for my propellers. They keep them from hitting stuff on the long journey out, because we gonna go on some long journeys. So I got 4 of these. Lastly is the power cable to plug into the wall for the other side of this. I like this. I like this a lot. I honestly need a lot more of these. Right now I got my cords and rubber bands. So this is dope. This is dope to be able to keep up with the cord. I like that, for real. That's it. Even got a little storage space right here. I'll show you the inside of the bag. Guess this comes out. It's like a little divider. They had it sitting in the bottom of the bag, but I'm gonna put it back in here. And then you got 2 pockets in here. So pretty good storage space. It'll be a nice carrying case for it. I'm assuming this is it. So this is the moment that y'all been
waiting for.
Or at least this is the moment I've been waiting for. Wow. Wow. So here it is, my DJI Spark. I'm gonna have to give her a name. LadyBug. Here it is. I got the red. Red's my favorite color, as you can tell. It's not heavy at all. I thought it was gonna be bigger. I mean, it basically fits in the palm of my hand. To give you some size perception. Okay, so here's the propellers, and then we got the battery, which you just slide out by pushing in the 2 edges on the side there. I took the liberty of watching a million YouTube videos while this was shipping to me, because it took a while to get here. So I watched a lot of YouTube videos, and I went ahead and downloaded the app. Also in here I got an extra battery. Nice. Oh, okay, and then extra propellers also. I'll charge up the batteries and then we'll be back. So we are here with the DJI Spark, aka LadyBug, and we about to take her out for our first flight. So I got everything set up and ready to go.